Do you have anything anecdotally where times have been difficult and what you've kind of mindset's a bit of a wanky phrase, but what you've done to overcome those situations?
Good question. Have I got? I think it. I think the constant drain is one. Like, I don't think I'd prepared myself enough for that when I first started the business. Like, it is a slog, and we sort of touched on it earlier. You become a marketer, an accountant, a salesperson, the cleaner, and it's a slog. And then you've got to manage your home life as well, and you've just had a new baby. Throw that into the mix. It's stressful. It's tough. I think the bits I found hard were sometimes feeling like I was never doing enough, probably. Um, and that is such a crippling mindset to get into almost, because you become entrapped in this, oh, I'm not doing enough and the business isn't growing fast enough and I've got to be doing more, but then you're not getting any rest time. And then when you are at work, you're not being very productive. I remember
Mm.
very, very vividly, saying to my wife, "Oh, I've got to work this weekend," and then I'd sit in the attic of my, house where I sort of had a makeshift office, and I'd just fucking do nothing, and not intentionally. I wasn't sat there like wanking or anything, but I was just sat there, just not being productive. I just was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I know I've got a million and one things to do. I don't know what to do, um, or where to get started. It's the classic, too many things to do, and you just don't do any of them. So I think that was an ongoing battle, and probably still is. I probably still suffer from that now.